Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Cruze headlight. Replacing a headlight bulb can seem daunting, but with this easy method, you will have it done in about 10 to 15 minutes per side. You won't need to remove the bumper, making this a straightforward and quick repair. Let's get started by gathering our few necessary items. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right tools and take a quick safety measure. You'll need a new H13 headlight bulb, which serves as both your high and low beam. Always wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to avoid transferring skin oils, which can shorten its lifespan. A small flat blade screwdriver might be helpful for the electrical connector. Now, let's remove the old bulb. First, open your vehicle's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb socket. Gently twist the entire socket counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn. Once loose, carefully pull the bulb assembly straight out. Then, pull back the small lock tab on the electrical connector and press down to disconnect it from the old bulb. With the old bulb out, installing the new one is simple. First, connect your new H13 bulb to the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, carefully align the 3 tabs on the new bulb with the corresponding slots in the headlight assembly. Push the bulb in gently, then twist it clockwise by 1/4 turn until it locks securely. Finally, close the hood and test your new headlight to confirm it works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.